In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best G discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for G discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Simply Codes, and right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So if you want to get this one with a 5% discount right here, all you need to do is just select the button where it says your code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 5% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website as well, which is called 40k deals. And right here we have a list with other promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 30% discount. All you have to do is just select the button where it says see deal. And for this one, there is no code required. So you can simply select the button where it says go to shop. And after that, you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.